Are you having a lead generation problem, which means you're not getting enough leads and probably not sales? You're not building your email list for your business. Then we're going to solve it here in this video. I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do to get more leads, more sales in your business, and we're going to use Clickfunnels to do it. So definitely stick around. But before we get into that, I do want to introduce myself. What's up, guys? My name is Kirshana Sykes, and my channel is all about making money online, okay? So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell notification button because that is how you're going to be notified anytime I upload a video. Now, there's going to be different resources in the description below, different trainings that can help you build your online business, as well as tools that you can use to automate and organize your business. So check that out at the end of this video. It's probably something that you can use that can really help you out. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the lead generation problem that we're going to solve today. So there's 3 things that you are going to be able to do at the end of this video with ClickFunnels that's going to build your business. The first thing is collecting leads. Now, you need a sales funnel. The reason why a sales funnel is so important for any business is because what it allows you to do is to qualify the people that you are actually looking for, your potential customers, okay? And then once you do that, they have the ability to put in their email information, and in return, you can give them something free, like a free PDF download, maybe a free video with some information, something in exchange for their email address. Now, there's a couple things that happens, okay, once they opt in to your we call it an opt-in page. So once they give you your email address, you give them the free gift, okay, that you're going to give them. And by the way, you don't have to give them a free gift, but it's always good to do that because they are giving you something, you want to give them something, okay? So it builds that know, like, and trust factor. But once it gets past that point, you're going to be able to sell your offers, okay? And it doesn't matter what kind of offers you have, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's services, or, you know, it could be consultations. Whatever you have to offer, you have the ability to sell it within this funnel. And then you can always upsell if you want, okay? So what this is really an automated sales system, if you will, that allows you to collect someone's email address so that you can follow up with them. And I'm going to talk about that more in a minute. But you can also sell your offers, your services, your products, and it's a way that's automated. So once this system is set up, once your traffic hits the page, then this system automatically works for you, and it makes your life a lot easier, and it keeps everything more organized. Now let's go back to collecting the email addresses. The reason why this is so important is because it's known that it used to be 7 exposures that someone needs in order to purchase a product, right? So it means when people see your products within your funnel, the majority of them aren't going to buy, right? But you have their email address, which means you can follow up with them via email as much as you would like. Again, what that does is create the know, like, and trust factor. You are always in their face offering your products or your services. So at some point in time, they will have the ability to buy. Now let's flip back for a second. Let's say you don't have a sales funnel. Let's say that you have a website, which is kind of like the dinosaur way of doing things now. If you just have a website and there are people that are going to your website, let's say they look around and they don't want to buy anything, they leave. How do you know who that person is? You don't know. Do you have an opportunity to follow up with them, to put that same offer in front of their face over and over so that maybe potentially one day they can buy? Or maybe there's something else that you're offering that they could use. Do you have the ability to do that with a website? The answer is no. So the new website, if you will, is a sales funnel. And again, that is why it's so imperative to use a sales funnel, because you collect the email address. you can follow up. And have you heard the term, the money is in the list, right? Of course it's in the list. So that's why you always want to build your email list. You can't do that with a regular website, but you can do that with a sales funnel. So I wanted to break that process down because it's important that you understand that the traffic that you have coming to your offers, you want it to hit your sales funnel. Now we're going to go into ClickFunnels. I'm going to talk a little bit about what ClickFunnels offers you, and how about I create like a quick funnel so that you can see how easy it is. Let's go. So I'm now on the ClickFunnels page, and from the start, you get a 14-day free trial to try out the service, okay? And when you use my link that is in the description below, I'm going to give you 2 bonuses. The first thing is I am actually going to create a funnel for you, designed for your business, so that you can start using it right away. So you're going to get that bonus when you use my link below. The second thing is I'm going to add you to my Facebook group, where you can get different trainings that I'm going to create for you on how to build your funnels, make them, better for whatever purposes you want them for. So you're going to get access to my Facebook group as well, again, as a bonus number 2, when you use my link below. So let's talk about, some of the things that this does. So you get everything all in one, basically, okay? It's a simple drag and drop web page editor. Literally, there's templates of different types of funnels for whatever you want to do, whether it's lead generation, whether it's sales. Maybe you want to do a webinar. You can use ClickFunnels to do that. Perhaps you have a course that you want to create and you want to sell it. You can actually house it on ClickFunnels. So there's several different ways that you can use it. You can also do the upsells like I was talking about, and it integrates with your email AutoResponder so that you can actually email your leads. All of your leads are going to go to your email responder, but just in case you don't have an email responder, then you can actually use the email responder that is inside of ClickFunnels. It's just a matter of what you want to do and what stage you are at in your business. But for whatever stage you're in, whether it's beginner, intermediate, or you're advanced in your business, ClickFunnels can definitely help you out. So let's scroll down a little bit. I talked about, selling your products. You have follow-up funnels as well. And let's take a look at some of the different industries. If you have an agency or you're a freelancer, maybe you're in informational products, affiliate marketing, perhaps e-commerce, coaching, consulting, network marketing. And it's so funny because network marketers actually use funnels, but they never really talk about it. So if you're wondering how all these network marketers get all these leads, guess what? They're using funnels in order to do it. You could be a B2B business, okay? Maybe you're a blogger or nonprofits. Hey, whatever you're doing, whatever type of business you have, you can actually use ClickFunnels to do it. So let's talk about the prices. So the first plan, the smallest plan that they have, is $97 per month, okay? And really, if you're just getting started, that's really all that you need. Once you get more advanced and you're into creating courses and things of that nature, then you can go to the higher plan, which is $297. But if you're just getting started, honestly, $97 is all you need, and that investment will pay you over and over again because of this system that it allows you to have. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and just create a simple funnel just so I can show you how easy it is. And be sure to check that link in the description. Again, when you purchase ClickFunnels with my link, you go past the 14-day trial. I'm going to give you a funnel that you can use for yourself right away, as well as you have access to my Facebook group, where there's ongoing training on you creating your funnels. All right, so we are in my ClickFunnels account, and as you see, can see here, I obviously use this quite a bit. But let's go ahead and create a quick funnel so you can see. What I'm going to do is click on Add New, and I'm just going to use the classic funnel builder. I'm going to create, and it's asking me, hey, what type of funnel do I want? Do I want to collect emails? Do I want to sell a product? Do I want to host a webinar? Well, we're just going to go ahead and collect emails because this is going to solve your lead generation problem. So I'm going to select it, and I'm just going to name it test lead, and we're going to build the funnel. Now this is where it gets really exciting because you don't have to worry about creating all of the stuff from scratch. First of all, because I selected a lead generation funnel, it automatically creates the steps for me. So I have the opt-in page, which is the page where people are going to enter in their email address, and then the thank you page. But right now, because I'm on the opt-in page, I have all of these different templates that I can actually use, okay, in order to create a funnel. So I'm just going to select, let's say, this one right here. And all you need to do after it loads it, we're going to click on edit page. And then we're just going to edit the page, okay? And there are several different things that you can do to customize it to how you want it to look. So I'm going to give you a couple examples of it as it loads up. Okay, so first of all, you know, I am able to edit anything that I want to edit. I kind of like this warning, so I'm going to leave that where it is. But let's see, discover the shocking truth of how to save 10 times more on your taxes. So let's change this. Let's say that you're in the weight loss industry, right? So maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, actually I don't need to click on anything. There we go. I'm going to click on this box within it, and then I'm able to edit it. So discover the shocking truth, let's see, of how, let's see, I lost 150 pounds in just 30 days. Okay, so see how easy that was to actually edit it. And let's say that I wanted to underline discover or bold it. I can bold it. Okay, let's say that I wanted to change my bold text, and I'm going to make this bold. So I'm going to highlight it and hit bold, and I want to change the text, or I want to change the color of the bold text. I want it to be red. So what I'm going to do is click on this gear, and this little box is going to come up, and these are all the different options that I have to make changes. So I simply want to change my bold text to a different color, and I'll say red. Okay, so I'm gonna change it. That's done. I'm gonna hit save. See, it automatically changes it. See how cool that is? So this is where you can change the text here, and this is where, you know, someone can enter in their name and their email address, or what we like to do, especially in the online marketing world, we only like to capture the email address because more people will opt in. So how about I just delete that, and now I just have the email address. So I can customize this if I want. This is automatically going to submit to a form, and this form is what you're going to connect your AutoResponder to. When it's connected to your AutoResponder, whoever enters their email address in this email address field and they click sign up or whatever you have on this button, they're going to automatically be added to your email autoresponder. So you have to integrate your email autoresponder. It's not difficult to do, but for the purposes of time, what I'll do is I'll create another video on how to do that. And it kind of varies depending on what autoresponder you use. If you use a Weber, you're going to have to create a form. If you use GetResponse or maybe MailChimp, you may not have to do that. It'll just be an API integration. But ClickFunnels has tutorials on every single thing, okay? So whatever type of autoresponder you're going to use, you'll be able to access a tutorial on how to do it. And it literally takes minutes to do. But this is how, you know, your people that opt in are going to be connected to your autoresponder. So let's say I don't like this button. Maybe I want to, let's see, just say click here for access, right? So all I need to do is click on the gear, and then here it says button text, and then I can say click here for access. Okay, then that's done. Now, you know, if I want to change the color, then I can do that. I can change it to green. It automatically changes it. And there's other things that you can do. There's different types of themes of buttons that you can use. Or what I like to do a lot, I like to have like a box shadow, or maybe have a button effect of where it rocks. See how that makes it rock? And you just hit click save. So that, let's say that this page is all done, right? And I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my next page, which is my thank you page. And it's right here. So when I click on the thank you page, then it's going to give me different options. I can choose from several different templates that's here. Again, you do not have to create every single thing from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to select this one here. So I'm going to select this template, and it's going to load. And I'm going to click on edit page. So after someone opts in, they're going to come to this page. This is the page that they're going to see. So if you offered a free gift, you can actually put the video here, okay? And literally all you need to do is to click here, click on the gear, and you can set the action. Let's say I had a video that I wanted to upload. I could just put the link here, and then with it said going to website URL, you can select it here. Or maybe it's a sales page for a product that you have. All you need to do is to put the URL here, and then when they click on this button, it's going to go there. But as you can see, it's really easy to customize, guys. The templates are already here. You can customize it to however which way you want. But literally, this takes minutes to do, and my funnel is done. So in this video, you've learned a few things. Why it's so important for you to have a sales funnel, and the easiest way for you to actually do that, the program using Clickfunnels. So again, the link for Clickfunnels is going to be in the description below. There's a 14-day free trial, and when you get Clickfunnels with my link, then I am going to create a funnel that's done for you to use right away. And as long as you have a Clickfunnels account, then you'll be able to use it, as well as my second bonus, which is adding you to my Facebook group where I talk about Clickfunnels and I do different tutorials to help you build out better funnels to meet your objective, as well as tailor it to you specifically. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you did. Hit that like button. Hey, share this out as well. And of course, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification button so that you'll be notified. I'll see you guys on the next video.